In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get Walmart promo code for May 2026. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Walmart promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo codes for Walmart. I'm gonna select this one website. Once you're inside the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals, 25% off, $30 off, 50% off, and many more. Just go through these offers and deals and select the one that you are interested in, copy the code, then navigate to the website of Walmart, make your purchase, and while you check out, you can apply this code. But before that, make sure the code is valid, the code has not been expired. You can check that in offer details. In case the code is expired, you can choose next offer. Also, you can try out other offers, as here you're gonna find tons of offers. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.